I'm Emma Vore. I'm a senior at Utah Connections Academy, and I also take 2 concurrent enrollment classes at Salt Lake Community College. I take, well, for next semester, I'm taking English 2010 and then, 1020, and physics 1010.
Awesome. And by the time you graduate from high school, how many concurrent enrollment credits will you have?
I'll have 12.
What are your plans after high school? Is it to continue at the community college or transfer to another school?
I'm going to transfer them to Weber State.
So welcome. Thank you for joining us in this interview, Emma and Ms. Hansen. We just have a few questions about concurrent enrollment. Our first one would be, what schools can you attend with concurrent enrollment?
That's a great question. And with our school, we are contracted with Dixie State University, whatever their new name is. I don't remember off the top of my head. Snow College and Salt Lake Community College. So if there's another student or another school that students want to work with, we can make arrangements with them, but we don't have a current contract, which is where, we're set up in their system and we have advisors that we work with through that school. But those are the 3 that we have contracts set up with.
So how many credits do you get per class?
So you get 3 credits per class per semester.
3 credits per class per semester.
Yep.
Cool.
So how many credits do you need to count for finishing a class or a semester?
So it depends on if you want a scholarship for taking concurrent enrollment. So usually you have to take 12 credits for 2 semesters to get a scholarship, but most advisors recommend not taking 3 college classes per semester just because you'll feel overloaded.
All right.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
What's it like doing the courses? Are they hard, or are they like the other high school courses you have, time consuming? What's it like?
So, it's a college class, so it's a bit harder, but it's definitely the same type of format as a high school class. Like, you still get the same help from the teachers and the students feel the same. It's very, very similar.
Good to know.
Yeah.
So what do you recommend to not fall behind in concurrent enrollment?
So I recommend definitely checking your email every day, because sometimes professors will just post something without telling you, and you just have to make sure you're always checking. And if you're doing it through Canvas, always look at your planner and just always be checking.
Very.
How do you organize all your classes, especially with concurrent enrollment?
So I have a planner and I just write down all the stuff I'm going to do for the day. And usually I start with just my Utah Connections Academy classes, and then I start doing my concurrent enrollment.
Nice.
Yeah.
So when you do college classes, if you fail, does it stay on your record?
It does, but you can retake that class, and when you retake that class and get a passing grade, it will count towards your credits. So you definitely want to make sure you're doing your best and organizing your time, like Emma mentioned, because if you have to retake that class, it takes time and it takes money as well. So you have to pay to retake that class. So, but there are options. Things do come up during a semester that, might prevent you from finishing, but it's just always best to try and finish and get that passing grade the first time.
Well, thank you for joining us. Those are amazing answers, very helpful to all the students who might want to take concurrent enrollment in their following years in high school.
Yeah.